Mean Gene is a locally owned family business, and we give back to our community with all of our donations and all of our funds.
They donate to the grad party, the Camas tree lighting, Camas football games, and pretty much all their employees are Camas students or former graduates of Camas High School.
Okay. And then in the middle here we have mortars. All of these 4 rows here. These are the biggest ones we have. They're the 5-inchers, and they've got like 60 grams each in there. And so the more grams they have, the bigger they're going to be, right? So less shots, more grams, it's going to be big. More shots, the same amount of grams, it's going to be a little bit longer, smaller.
Our 2 locations in Camas are at the Hammond and at Les Schwab. We are open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.